Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Peace be upon you. What's our topic today? Our topic today, inshallah, will be a new grammatical rule. It's called the 6 nouns. There are only 6 nouns in the Arabic language? You may ask yourself this question. Of course, no. We have in the Arabic language many different types of names, like proper name, common name, and so on. Okay, why we deal with these nouns separately in a group? This is a good question. Thank you for asking. But I will tell you not now, at the end of the lesson, inshallah. Okay? But remember to ask me this question at the end. First, I want you to pay attention with me. Yeah, are you with me so far? Great. There are the 6 nouns in the Arabic language in this table. Yeah, this table shows you the 6 nouns in the Arabic and the meaning in English below. Okay? Look to the translation in English and I will read with you the Arabic. Okay? Read with me now. Hen, fa, and above it you find which vowel dhamma. So fu, dhu, ham, ab. Hen, fu, dhu, ham, ab. Great. And this hen means think, fu, mouth, and so on. Great. Now you can identify these nouns in any sentence. Yeah, you may say, yes, of course, it's so easy. Okay. I want you now to identify the 6 nouns in these sentences. Yeah, are they related to the 6 nouns? Great job. They are similar to them. Actually, they are not similar. They are the same. How? Yeah, great, you ask me. You will find here up, and after it we find 3 letters. Okay, why? We can connect the 2 letters of the word to other letters. Okay, what are these letters? You will know, but not now. So now we have different forms of the 6 nouns. Yeah. In order to identify the words in any sentence, you have to know all these forms. You took declension before. What's the meaning of i'rab? Declension, which means declension. Okay, so the i'rab of the word here, the word accent is khabar. Abuna here is khabar. Okay, the sign here is what? Is dhamma? No. So this is the answer of your question before. Why we put them separately? You asked me this before, yeah? They are signed by not by the 3 signs, fatha, kasra, and dhamma on their ends, but they are instead declinable with letters. In other words, long vowel endings. Wow, here, and alif, and afterwards you find ya. The following table shows us the difference between the regular declension with short vowels ending signs, ضمة فتحة كسرة and the irregular declension with long vowel signs ألف واو ياء. Okay, that's related to these nouns. Okay, let's see here. This is a regular declension signs or short vowels. Short vowels mean ضمة فتحة كسرة. And this is a grammatical case. Nominative الرافع nominative here with ضمة. هذا ولد. This is regular noun, regular declension, and this is proper name or common name. Great is common name, like in English. Here هذا ولد. If I make it bigger, هذا ولد. This is a transcription of the pronunciation of the word. This is a boy. Translation English. By the way, you shouldn't look to the translation all the time. After that, you have to speak English. Arabic. You have to listen to the words, all the words in Arabic, not in English at all. Nominative هذا ولد. ولد here in a nominative case. في حالة الرفع هذا ولد. Great. And here this is a regular declension. هذا أبونا. What about أبونا here? If we compare the two words ولد and أبونا, yeah, أبونا with wow accent. So this is the sign, the long vowel. Wow. Great. This is our lesson today.